this for reference video. At previous class we will study about the second chapter, that is history from hunting and gathering growing food. We will learn also Tushar train journey and some related themes, that is the earliest people, why we are on the move. That is the we will discuss in previous class, that is the themes of the what we are studying in this chapter. Okay, we will see the in that first point we will see the earliest people, why were they on the move. Okay, we know about the people who lived in the subcontinent or as early 2 million years ago. Okay, you know already fast people in the 2 million years ago, they today describes they will tell the name her hunters and gatherers. You know already hunters and gatherers, what do you mean by hunters and gatherers in the previous chapter. Okay, same thing, that is related one, this topic only. Okay, names come from the way which they got their food. Okay, generally hunted wild animals, caught fish, some animals he will hunted. Okay, generally they caught the fish and birds, gathered fruits, roots, okay, nuts and seeds, leaves, stalks and eggs. They will hunting the animals and gathering some foods. Okay, from where hunters and gatherers move from place to place, some reasons are there, we will study that one. Okay, first reason will be the, if they had stayed at one place a long time, they would have eaten up all the available plants, animal resources. Therefore they would have had to go elsewhere in the search for food. First reason will be told, if you stay in the long time in the one place, if you all the things will be empty. Okay, that's the reason plants, that is plants and animal resources for empty for the daily purpose, that is food is not available if you stay in the long time. Okay, therefore they would have go to elsewhere in the search for food. That's why only belonging to food, in the first part they will belonging to food, that's why they will move from one place to another place for the searching food. Okay, in the second point they will move from, it will move belonging to animals. Okay, animals move from only place to place, that is follow their movements. The hunted people will follow their movements. Okay, in search of small prey, in case of they will hunted deers, wild cattle and search grass, leaves. That's the way those who are hunted had to follow their movements. Okay, that's why second animal, second point will be the second point will be the animal moves from one place to another place. Okay, they will follow the movements, their movements. Okay, they will hunted some animals like deer, cattle. Okay, some grass and leaves. Okay, that's why they will follow from one place to another place, it will belong to animals. Okay, we will study about third point. Third point will be, third point will be third plants and trees, fruits, different session. Okay, so you can tell me one example in the fruits. Mango is in the summer days it will be available. You can take custard apple, it will be easily available in the winter season. Okay, from those plants and trees bear fruits in from available from the different session. The people may there moved in the from session to session. Okay, in the search for different kinds of plants, when they will search for the fruits and plants. Okay, at the fourth point, at that fourth point we will four people will we will survive for the need for the foods. Okay, water is found in the lakes, streams, rivers. If you take perennial river, it will be one of the longest river with water throughout the year. Okay, other seasonal people living on their banks would have had go in the search of water during the dry season. Okay, winter and summer. Okay, you understand the third point? Once again I will tell you, in the third point they will belong to plants and trees, some fruits. Okay, they will available from the different session. Okay, you tell one example will be the mango is available from the summer session, and custard apple will available in the what winter session. Okay. Further, fourth will tell you, fourth, there is a water is essential for the all the peoples and animals and plants. Okay. To survival of the life. Okay. One is the river is there, perennial. This is the water throughout the year. Other seasonal people living on their banks would have had go to the search of water during the dry season, winter and summer. How do you know about these people? This is the second point, second theme of the this topic. Okay. How do you know about these people? Can anybody tell? Okay, I will tell you. Archaeologist, you will know the archaeologist will study about the things. Okay. We will study about the things that is the fast people are used. Okay. Archaeologists were found the things hunters and gatherers made use for likely people made use tools, stones, wood, bone. Which stone tools have been survived best? Okay, these are all the archaeologists will found, and we will get the how know about these people. Okay, we will help, archaeologist will helpful for that, for those people he will know about these people. Okay, some of these people stone tools were used to cut the meat and bone scrap and hide the animals and chop the fruits. Some have been attached to the handle, bone wood makes and for the arrow hunting. Other tools are very used to chop the wood, which was used to firewood. Wood also used to make the huts or tools. Okay. Okay, that's the reason archaeologists will find the things that is hunters and gatherers are used from tools like stone tools, wood. These are the tools for the hunting purpose which will use for the cut the meat, bone scrap, bark. Okay, some chopping fruits, roots, attached handle, bones, wood. We make arrow hunting, other tools. We will use the chopped wood, which was used to firewood. Sometimes we will use the firewood also. You can take, for example, you can take the one crush to another crush. You will some your stone to another stone. You crush them in between. You got one fire. Okay, that fire you will use for the purpose also. Okay, this for the reference video. All of you see the video. You got some concepts of this chapter. Learn about that. I will tell you in the next class. We will move forward the choosing a place to live in. Okay, this is the homework for your today. You can draw the map and you can all the contents you can match in. Okay, you can put the all the map and along with all the whatever it is in the map. Okay, bye.